What's up, guys? I decided to take a minute to show you the new cool thing I bought at the auction. It is a self-loading and dumping tracked powered wheelbarrow. Craziest thing I've seen so far, but looks like it's gonna be awesome. So basically it loads from here, dumps into here, you drive it around, dump it wherever you want. It is got tracks on it. It's, I believe, 6.5 horsepower, hydraulic. You ride on the back, you can walk behind it too. You can actually flip this thing up. Just regular gas powered. Anyways, it is a Stag brand, which is a new brand. I haven't got a hold of anything like that. This is a TDL-1000. It weighs just under 700 pounds, and it looks like it holds about a half yard, and I believe the weight that it holds inside of the bucket is about 1,100 pounds. So anyways, I just figured that thing was awesome. It can't be crazy powerful because of the smaller motor on the back, but it should definitely save your back as far as shoveling and putting stuff in a regular wheelbarrow. But yeah, let's try it out.